Hi. Welcome to Amenny Property TV channel. I've been investing for the past 25 years. My name is Amenny and I'm founder of few companies. The reason I'm making this channel is to share about how to invest safely and profitably in property. How to be a successful real estate entrepreneur and a business owner. If you'd like to know more how to invest property with zero down payment, if you are looking to invest, join real estate business, or you are looking into start a new business in real estate, kindly follow my YouTube channel. If you like my YouTube channel, kindly help me to subscribe, like and share, and leave a comment below on updates that you like to know more about real estate. Don't forget to follow my YouTube channel, subscribe and hit the bell to get the notification for my new updates. I promise you I will give you a free video every week. Thank you, bye.